Guy that you see has not just a boyfriend to Liam, has been there for Liam, guys. This is the guy that was responsible for all Liam's social media. One thing about this guy, guys, he was very consistent. So every day he makes sure that he update us what is happening inside the house, what Liam she's doing, guys. The one thing about him, he's the guy that he think he is. He really loves the Liam. Love is a beautiful thing. Congratulations to Liam once again, guys. We wish them nothing the best. If your boyfriend can handle all your social media like this one, trust me, be there for him, guys. Hopefully they get married one day. So guys, there's a lot of division between the Lilies and Didi's fan base. You still remember there was a time few of Liam's fan base came out to say, can you please, the Didi's fan base, vote for Liam? Let's push Liam to win the 2 million rand. So we're going to donate for Didi, guys. So today, fan base Yaka Didi, let me just say it, team Yaka Didi, they have opened a GoFundMe like a Tandega. So they have asking the Didi's fan base and the Lilies to go and donate for Didi, guys. One thing about the Lilies fan base, they are saying, we are done. Our girl has won a 2 million rand, not just a 2 million rand, 100k from Chilla's Punch, a 50k from Zimba, a 50k from King Pie. I'm not sure the any trip, guys. So Tina, we are done. What do you want from us? And I was just laughing. I was like, hi, guys, can't the Lilies and this fan base, did you not have an agreement to say that if Liam wins, you guys going to donate for Didi? You guys are saying now you also want to donate for Liam, guys. The one thing about the alliance, don't trust anyone. So guys, I've seen the GoFundMe for Didi is circulating around social media. So if you want to go and donate for Didi, you can just go to social media. You can go to her Instagram account. It is Didi, guys. Also on Twitter, you can just type Didi and go out there, guys, and just donate for Didi, guys. She did play her game, guys, even though she has won 39,000 rand. Let's take her to 100k. You never know, guys. It is possible. South Africa, you guys do have money. I can see that. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. It's a topic conversation. What do you think about this video? If I can subscribe to like it, comment. Everybody, please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.